In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button full width in Elementor. We'll go step by step together, so even if you're fairly new to WordPress or Elementor, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. By the end, your button will stretch nicely across the entire width of its container, giving your page a cleaner and more modern look. First, log into your WordPress account, the same way you normally do when editing your site. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a menu item labeled Elementor. Hover your mouse over that Elementor option so that its sub-menu appears. From those options, choose the editor. This will open up the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress. After the Elementor interface loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site, or the relevant editing option that takes you into your site's main editor. This will open your site in the familiar drag and drop Elementor environment, where you can access all your pages and templates. Next, find the specific page or section that contains the button you want to make full width. Once you see that button on the canvas, click directly on it. When you select the button, its editing options will appear on the left sidebar. This is where Elementor lets you control things like text, style, and layout. Now, in that left sidebar, look for the tab labeled Style. Go ahead and click on the Style tab. Inside this tab, you'll see different styling controls for the button. Among these, you'll find an option related to position. Next to that position setting, look for a stretch icon. This icon is what tells Elementor to stretch your button across the full available width. Click the stretch icon. As soon as you do that, look back at your button on the main preview area. You should now see that the button spans the full width of its container, giving it that strong full width appearance. If needed, you can adjust padding or margins, but the main full width behavior is handled by that stretch option. Once you're happy with how your button looks, don't forget to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the Elementor interface and click either Update or Publish, depending on whether the page is already live or new. And that's it. You've successfully made your button full width in Elementor.